If your Chrome browser is running a little slow, if you want to clear out old browsing history, or if you simply want a fresh start, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to clear Chrome browser history and cookies in just a few steps. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you do not need to dig through a bunch of menus. There is a much faster way to get to the right screen. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That shortcut instantly opens the Clear Browsing Data window, which is where you can remove browsing history, cookies, and other stored site information. Now that the Clear Browsing Data window is open, take a moment to choose exactly what you want to remove. The two main items you want to check are browsing history and cookies and other site data. Browsing history removes a list of websites you visited, while cookies and site data help clear saved login sessions, preferences, and tracking data stored by websites. If you want a deeper clean, you can also select cached images and files. That option can help free up space and may fix loading problems, but keep in mind it can also make some websites load a little slower the first time afterward. Next, look at the time range at the top of the window. If you want to remove everything, choose All Time. This is the best option if you want a complete reset of your browsing history and cookies. If you only want to clear recent activity, you can choose a smaller range like last hour, last 24 hours, or last 7 days. This gives you more control depending on how much data you want to delete. Once you've selected the correct options and time range, it's time to clear the data. Click Delete Data, and Chrome will automatically remove the selected information. In just a few moments, your browsing history and cookies will be cleared based on the settings you chose. After that, you may notice that some websites log you out. That is completely normal because cookies store sign-in information and site preferences. If you visit a website again, you may need to sign in one more time. The upside is that clearing cookies can also help with website glitches, loading issues, and privacy cleanup. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, Delete. Choose browsing history and cookies and other site data, select All Time if you want everything removed, and then click Delete Data. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials that save you time every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.